So I wanted to make a quick video on MLOK attachments to help you guys out, because I know I wish somebody would have told me, but everyone knows that MLOK's a pretty good system. So I've got a section here. It's just a QD section that I want to put on my rail down here. So rather than putting it in, holding your nut underneath there, which if you're down in this end of the rail can really suck, and trying to get it tight and get it lined up perpendicular with your MLOK slots and stuff, that can just really suck. So rather than doing that, what I recommend doing is put a drop of blue thread locker on your screws, of course, because you don't want this coming off. But then get your nuts kind of not tight, but just kind of snug with your fingers, and get them lined up parallel with your MLOK attachment so they can just click right in. So I'm going to put mine down here if I have them lined up right, which I almost do. Yeah, this one's not quite right. There, finally got it. And then get it positioned where you want it. I'm going to shove mine forward there. And the best thing you can do now is kind of tighten it up a little bit. Okay, just so it's a little bit snug. Now as I back it off, doubt you'll be able to see, this one already slipped over and went perpendicular and is perfectly in place. Now with this back one, push it in, and I can try going forward, which even going forward worked on this one. And boom, it clicked over perpendicular in my slot, and there you go, tightened up. And I'll sock these down a little bit more. But that's the easiest way to put MLOK in. Get them cinched down, put your wrench on, either go backwards or forwards. This one worked going forwards, but usually you have to go back a little bit. It'll go like this, lock into the spot, because that nut has the nipple on it that fits the MLOK. It'll click over there, then you can just tighten it down. So hopefully this made sense. I'm sure you can't see it very good, but hopefully that helps you guys out. If it did, like and subscribe, or leave any questions and comments for me down below.